Ring the doorbell and let's see the comparison between 7-inch screen and 10-inch screen. You can switch between screens during a call. Screen unlock function. When the visitor rings the doorbell, no one answers at home, which will be displayed in the missed call. You can click to view the picture at that time. The monitoring screen can be zoomed in and out. The device has a motion detection function, and it will record video when someone passes by. Now let's show the screen unlocking function. Let's see how to connect Tuya. Connection can be made through Wi-Fi Express connection and AP hotspot. Here we show AP hotspot connection. Mobile Tuya has powerful functions such as doorbell notification, mobile detection notification, real-time picture monitoring and playback, and remote unlocking of mobile phones. Added successfully.